and out of harm's way. The last thing we want is the wires getting caught up in the treads or any other pieces of sensitive hardware. It's not pretty, but it's functional.
Yeah, as long
That
as you
is
can
what
get
I'd rather
everything.
have.
You guys are making the arm shorter?
Yep. Thanks, Max. He sawed it, and now Spurg is gonna
Just reassemble it? Why are you guys making it shorter? Just
It was too long.
It's
Simple as that. It was too heavy.
Make-
You know, torque increases as the distance increases by the square of the distance. So the shorter it is, the better.
Good point.
We need what now? We need.
I'm individually stopping all.
So I don't want to give you answers. I want to give you.
This is progress though. It went from not working at all to working because of this. The network.
The Ethernet kept killing it, so we had to figure out how to use a dongle. After we finally figured out the Ethernet was killing it.
Wow. Aiden says
Is this like a tournament?
Yeah, Aiden said it's Roomba soccer. We changed out all the gear ratios on the wheels, and Jack resoldered the entire control board to get power, and we're putting it together and then we're going to test it.
We've been awake for 16 hours.
This is actually insanity.
I'm exhausted.
The work day.
We're going.
I need my coat.
Never not vlog. But you like got it to work? Do we want to use Mark's thing? What's going on? Okay, we're here for a recap of competition day 1.
Okay, the first test that we did was the maneuver test, and we got either 1 or 0 points on that. So it went okay, but we could have done better.
Yeah, our robot broke.
Yeah,
But it's
did.
okay, we fixed it.
Yeah.
And then for the second test, we had to go up a sloped ramp. We got 5 points, except our robot basically totally shattered. Like everything fell off. But that's okay, so then we fixed that part.
And then the next test was the parallel pipes, and that one went really well. We got 7, 8, no 5. I think 5 points on that.
The pipes one, I don't think we got any points because our arm wasn't really working.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The one where you have to touch it, we did not get
Yeah,
any
that
points.
was the one at 1:30. I think that was our 4th test. Went really well because we got 5 points when we drove over the little skis.
Yeah.
Yep, that was the align test.
Yeah. Oh, and then the second dexterity test went horrible because we didn't have a shoulder joint because that broke during the alignment test. So we were just kind of like flailing the arm around. We got 0 points. No surprise there though, but
Yeah.
that's okay.
And then the last test, we got, I think we got 8 points on that.
Yeah. So we got a lot of points today. I mean, like it doesn't seem like a lot, but it's a lot.
Overall,
It's
very
good
good.
for us.
Very good.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
What up, RoboCuppers? Today on how it's made, we figured, I don't know.
Go with it.
So today was the first day of competition, of course, as you've probably heard. Both teams started out a little rough.
Good, a good
Little
0.
rough.
Good 0 points for all the tests.
Rapid Manufacturing is currently at 1 point. We just got it on the gravel test, which we're happy about. Rescue Robot's a little farther.
Rescue Robot, I think we got 6 points in just one test. Pretty good, pretty good. We've been increasing steadily. Once Aaron and I get the hazmat label and motion detection to work, we should start getting multipliers, which will be spicy for the scores. And once Amelia, I think it's Amelia, I don't know really who's working
Brad's
on
doing
it.
the thermal camera too.
Once Brad gets the thermal camera done, more points, and then the CO2 sensors, and we'll basically win the competition at that point. We'll basically win.
So that's not where we're at. We're still struggling a little bit with getting the robot to go. It's just, it's not consistent enough at all. It's beauty right here. But we've got Caleb working on the arm over there. Actually, he's not there, but his stuff's there. Besides that, I mean, we're done for the day. We're just gonna be grinding it out. Both the teams are.
That's right.
Yeah, that's about it. Got our 4th of July spirit.
I contributed a little, and we got her working with a separate power source for the 4 servos, and now it works fast.
I'm gonna try. I made it work. That didn't.
So Caleb's thing works.
It's actually great.
How about the